Hello and welcome to a new video here on our channel. Today I will introduce you this little box with a cheap camera drone from Aliexpress. Let's see what we get. Finally, this drone was less than 100 bucks. For this we get finally this box. Here we have a software instruction and the operation instruction. It's in the font looks like shiny, but it's in English. So on top we get 4 propellers extra and a little fork driver. Not that bad. Here we have the controller. What is nice for this price, also finally, it's already with batteries including. Here we have a small charger. Of course the plastic feels a kind of cheap, but for the moment means nothing. It's finally it's good in the hand, you know. Also you have a small display on it. Yeah, that shows you the battery of your controller, the battery of your drone, the distance to your drone, the height of your drone, and how many satellites you get. If this all works like this, we will see in this video. Also we get 2 batteries. It's lithium batteries with each one 2200 milliampere. So, and here we are. This is the little drone. It's not that bad. Of course, you will get not the quality of DJI or so. But it looks kind of pretty. I found the color was also really good. And this is what we get. Let's see how it works. Finally, it's not that bad to fly. Let's see how works the camera. We will connect the cell phone and then let's fly a little bit. So I found it funny. It was really fun to fly with this little bad boy, and for less than 100 bucks, you know, I found it really okay. Of course, if you search something to make videos or so, this will be not the best option. But if you are a beginner, you want to get feeling to fly with drones or anything, this is definitely your option. So thanks for watching this video. Please write me some comments, subscribe my channel, and we see us next time. Bye bye.